Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to thank everybody for coming back. I also wanted to thank all the new subscribers for coming to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. If you could do me a favor and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, that'd be greatly appreciated, and it really helps my channel out, so thank you. Well, here's the youngsters here from the first round. They're all doing really good. I haven't lost any babies yet, which is good. They're all doing really well. As you can see here, this one here, he's got an orange band on him. I just put him in here not long ago. But overall, the youngsters are all doing well in here, keeping out of trouble. I haven't let them outside yet. I want to soon, but right now I'm building a bigger aviary out there for them to get around a lot better. I'm still kind of curious on this one here does. Here's a chocolate right here. Or bronze. But overall, like I said, all the babies are doing really well in here. Second round's doing really well. I'm actually impressed with it. I actually do have one set of pigeons that are on the third round. I wasn't planning on doing the third round, but evidently they're on top of it, so which is okay with me because they're supposed to be really good long distance birds for me. So overall, like I said, I'm really happy with second round. I will show you a few of the youngsters in here from the second round and how they're doing. So, but overall, like I said, the youngsters in here are looking really good. So y'all have to let me know what you guys think. But like I said, first round's looking really good in here. So, well, second round, I got these guys banded. I got these guys banded. Okay, this hen down here, she's sitting on eggs. They're sitting on eggs. They're sitting on eggs. And over here, that's the two babies there. The mom's sitting on the floor. I don't know why they did that. But anyways, and I've just banded those two babies. And that's out of Bumwing down there. He's right there. So, anyways, second round's going pretty good. The other loft is doing really good too. I just banded some Scions. They're doing good. All the eggs in the Scion loft are all fertile, which is good to know. So, banded those guys right there. The Scions there. Their eggs are fertile. They had their baby, okay? And the old Scion over there in the corner, his eggs are fertile. So, everybody in here is doing really well. So, as you can see, and should get nice set of rounds out of here. So overall, like I said, everybody's looking really good and babies are looking good and healthy, and which is a good thing. So I've already banded 8 babies right now out of the second round, which is actually quite well. So considering how many birds I got. So well, and here we got a few more babies hatch, and haven't banded any out of here yet because they're just a hair too young yet, but they're getting really close. But they've had one baby. And these guys here, they're sitting on 2 eggs. They're sitting on 2, well, they're not in there at the moment, but they're sitting on 2 eggs. They're on their third round, okay? That's the first pair of birds that I've ever had doing third round. I don't plan on doing third round, but since everybody in here is still on eggs, and their eggs are fertile too, which is good. Okay, they're on eggs. They had 2 babies, but I lost one baby there. I came back out here and it had fallen out of the nest and it did not survive. So unfortunately, that's the way it goes. So, and they're on eggs, and they're on eggs. They got 2 babies, and they got 2 babies. They just hatched. So like I said, overall, like I said, I'm really impressed with how the second round is going. I'm actually quite shocked. So I will be sending a few, like I said, a few of my birds out once they hit the right age for sending out. But the one youngster that goes to these 2 here, that's their second round. He's actually hiding over here in the corner. Where'd he go? Sorry, he moved on me. He's down here. Little stinker. He's getting quite big. Come here you go. Anyway, see you. Let me look at you. Oh, there you go. He's quite nice. Nice youngster there. Like I said, his mom and dad are down there, and that one there. But overall, he's looking good. Not quite old enough yet to wean off yet, but he's getting there. But these two here are a friend of mine. It's called Bergman's, and he's well known for winning a lot of races. So I'm actually quite impressed. So hopefully they do really good for me. So I know I'm planning on sending at least one of these two down to Adrian P. So to see how they do in his loft for him. So, but overall, I'm really impressed with it. Like I said, for second round, this will be my last round unless people ask for, you know, Pacific ones. But this is White Lightning here. She's supposed to have, I'm hoping she's to lay some eggs here soon, because if she don't, I'm not going to do much about it. So I'm not going to do anything about it. But there's her mate, and then of course her. But they're getting ready to, it looks like, because they keep sitting in the nest. So I'm hoping they start making a nesting material. So overall, like I said, I'm really impressed with everything. So hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.